Kayla, can you tell Mommy what word you made?
Stop, 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 stop.
Good. And the next one is?
Mop.
Good.
Drop.
Good.
Hop.
And the last one?
Up.
No. Look at the letters.
Hop.
What is it?
Turn.
No. T-O-P. What's T say?
Oh. Ta ta ta.
And then O says? Good. So T. Then O says? Kayla, what's O say?
Ah.
And what's P say?
P. Pa pa pa.
P. So put it together. T. A. P.
Ah.
What is it? T.
Ta.
A. P.
Ta.
So what's it say?
Ta.
Very good.